Alright people, let's have a look how to swap BNB for USDT. Right, so first of all you have added all your coins. Let's just remove all of these unwanted ones. Remove these ones. You don't need these coins for Crypto Fortune. What you do need is BNB on the BEP20 network, USDT on the BEP20 network, and I leave OPBNB there because sometimes I do swap OPBNB for BNB BEP20 as well. Right, but you just need these two coins at the top. But now you want to swap your BNB. You have sent BNB from Velar to SafePal. Now how do you get your USDT? You're going to press, and I'm just going to make this for as an example. You're going to press on BNB BEP20, and there you're going to press below the logo there's swap. You're going to press swap there. Take note that the one that you're going to pay with in this case needs to be at the top, so that is BNB. So you're going to press on the arrows here, and then BNB goes at the top, and you can see the amount there. So I'm just going to do this for example, $1. Take note that you need to have gas fees left in BNB for your transaction. So you're going to leave, just going to work on the dollar amounts because you might get confused with the BNB amounts, the fractions. So I'm just going to swap for one, or let's make it, I've got $3 there, I'm going to make it for $2 here. Always make it 0.1 because the gas fee takes a bit, and then you get under the dollar, and then you can only deposit in round numbers in Crypto Fortune. So we add that 0.1 extra to make sure that we get round figures in USDT. Right, and now it's just going to press done, and then we're going to swap. I'm going to confirm that. Alright, this is the screen that you want to see. The other video shows from USDT to BNB, but this one is doing from BNB to USDT. Right, I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes or seconds. And there you have success. Alright, now you're going to go back top left again and again until you get to the screen again. Right, you see the balance is 3.3, so they already 2.5 because there was a little bit of BNB in there. Just refresh it always to make sure that it does register in the wallet. So you can see I still have got BNB left. I'm going to swap it back now, but it's just for educational purposes that I'm making this video for you to understand how to do it. Alright, and then you have BNB now. You have swapped BNB for USDT. But take note, you just need to leave about $1 of gas fees for your transactions that you will need. Thank you.